This is video 8 for chapter 2 of anatomy. This is going to be a very short video. It's our last video for this unit. And this one is going over nucleic acids. And the two nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. We'll focus more on their function later on, but we're just going to go over a little bit about their structure. So DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. It's a lot easier saying DNA and RNA. The building blocks are nucleotides. And a nucleotide is something that has a sugar, phosphate, backbone with nitrogenous bases present. If you remember, those nitrogenous bases were the A's, the T's, the C's, the G's, and U's. So we're just going to compare the two nucleic acids, and like I said, our next chapter is going to really go over how they function. So we don't have to worry too much about that, other than these help with information storage and instructions for our bodies to make proteins. So, their structure. DNA is 2 strands in a double helix. So they wrap around one another. RNA, 1 strand. We have different forms of RNA, like messenger, transfer, but they are 1-stranded. The bases, we don't really have to worry too much about their names, we just need to know their symbols. A and T bond together in DNA, C and G in DNA. So adenine and thymine, cytosine and guanine. For RNA, we don't have T, we have uracil, which is given the symbol U. So A and U bond together, and C and G bond together. So there's a slight difference there. And then the sugar that forms part of the nucleotide is different. And that's where the names come from. So here we have deoxyribose. Ose at the end of something usually indicates that it's a sugar, like ACE for an enzyme. And here we have ribose. So those are the main differences between DNA and RNA that we need to know for this chapter.